Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is sponsored by MOMCOZY. They were nice enough to send me over 2 of their sound machines. Getting into the first one, I like to call this one the travel sound machine because you can literally just clip it onto anything. I really like this because it is very small and compact, so it's going to come with the user manual, of course the actual sound machine, and then it comes with the USB-C cable cord, and then it also comes with a little bitty hook that you'll just put on, and then this allows you to hook it onto literally anything. So go ahead and plug it in. The adapter or block, whatever you like to call it, does not come with it, so you will need to get that. The piece that you plug into the MOMCOZY machine will be type C, and then the piece that you need to get an adapter for the wall is just a regular USB. So when it's charging, it'll indicate a blinking green light, and then when it's low, it's going to show red, obviously. So it's charging when it's blinking green, and then when it goes solid green, that's how you know it is fully charged. I'm going to go ahead and put the little hook, as I call it, on there. This will allow you to literally clip it onto anything, literally your jeans, your purse, baby bag, any single thing you can clip it on. So this is the volume down button, volume up, and then this is how you power it on. And then moving to the other side, this is the light. I really love that it comes with the night light. And then this button here is the auto off timer and the child lock together. And then the next one is just how you control the audio and then skip through the different tracks, and I'll let you hear that now. So in all, it has about 21 different sounds. That includes nature, fans, white noise, and baby favorite sounds like lullabies and stuff. So when you long press on the light, it will dim it. So it'll get really low, and then you hold it again, then it'll kind of get a little bit brighter. Like I said, I really love that you basically get a 2-for-1, a sound machine and a night light. So my other sound machine that I have like this, that is a totally different other brand, it does not have a night light, and I cannot tell you how much I am already falling in love with this simply just because of that. So now we're going to go into pairing Bluetooth. Okay, the next one is the MOMCOZY Smart White Noise Machine, and I really love this one. So once you get her out, she's going to come with the manual cord and the actual sound machine. You're going to scan the QR code, download the app, and then from the app, you're going to add your device. The manual tells you exactly how to do all of this. And then once you have it all set up, turn the device on, and then we're going to get into how this one sounds and how loud it can get. So I'm going to go ahead and let you guys listen to that, and then I'll come back and talk about it. So as you can see, you can basically control everything from your phone as well as the actual device. So right here, I am going to be just going to change the color. So you can either click it on the device like I am doing right now, and then when you click the light bulb, it'll just go through all the different colors, or you can actually get on the phone and then select which color that you want that way. So it has all of the same controls basically as the portable one, and this one is a little bit more stationary. So you have the child lock. You can do that from on and off the phone. I love that it has a timer, and then I love that basically this is called the programs, but to me I just call it a schedule. So you can schedule the times that you want it to turn on, turn off, what sounds you want. You can literally just customize it to your baby's liking, or your liking if you will. And then right here you can add and delete different modes. So I didn't want the bird sound or anything like that, and then this is just your favorites, so you can just click it right at the top and it's there when you need it. So I really do love that you can do favorites. Another one of my favorite things about this one is you can just literally use your hand to tap the top of it, and that makes the light come on and off. I really do love that. And then something else that I didn't realize You see that I have it plugged up. So when you have it plugged up, this is just charging the device. It's literally not even plugged up. Just make sure you have it turned on. You can literally move this anywhere in your home as long as it's charged up. So I really love that this is so versatile and you can take it literally anywhere. These two devices is literally a game changer. Don't forget to check down below in the description box for all the links and discount codes that I have to offer for you guys. Like I said, thank you so much, MOMCOZY, for sponsoring this video. These two products are a 10 out of 10, and girl, I definitely recommend.